Welcome back, guys. So, what we want to be doing today is doing a top-down analysis of the V10 index. But before we get on to what we have today, this is Perfect Forex, and if this is the first time you are coming across my YouTube channel, I'd like you to please click on the subscribe button and also do all to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I get to post a new video, you guys will be notified, and also do all to share my videos with your friends, do all to share my videos with your family. Let them know that something good, something amazing, something wonderful is going on my YouTube channel, Perfect Forex. And also do all to smash the like button, and also do all to drop a comment in the comment section, as it helps the algorithm of this video to be able to allow the video get to as many people as possible. Your likes, your comments enables the video, this value, to get to as many people as possible. So guys, do all to smash the like button, and also do all to drop a comment in the comment section. Okay guys, so we'll be doing a top-down analysis of the V10 index. Um, as I said in my previous video, I'll be showing you guys how to do top-down analysis, how to break the market down from the daily time frame down to the 4 hours time frame, down to the 1 hour, down to the 15 minutes, to pick entries for your trades. So guys, quickly, let's go to the daily time frame. As I said, what you would want to be looking out for is identifying the trend on the daily time frame. Identify the trend on the daily time frame. If either it is um, an upward move, if it is an upward trend, or a downward trend, identify the trend on the daily time frame. So what you do majorly is use a trend line to identify the trend on the daily time frame. And if you are familiar with market structure, you get to understand that is this is a low of the day. It's also one of the low points of the day. This is a low of the day. This point in the market is the high of the day. And once you begin to see higher highs and higher lows like this in the market, it signifies that the market is in um, an upward trend. It's in an upward trend. So guys, this market is in an upward trend. So after identifying the trend on the daily time frame, what we want to do now is mark out zones. As you can see, the market got to this point, bought to this other block, and there was a reaction from this point. Market bought to this other block, and there was a reaction to this. As you can see, the market dropped from this point, dropped to this point. There was a reaction to the upside, and the market bought to this particular order block and refused to break it further up. From here, there was a further drop to the downside. Structure was made. The market dropped, got to this point, and there was a reversal to the upside. As you can see right now, market is back at the zone of this other block. The zone of this other block, which actually reacted initially at this point. Price sold, got to this point, reacted to the upside, couldn't break this other block, continue further down to the downside, and right now price is at that other block again. Now that is actually an interesting point. So we will be marking that zone out on the daily time frame. After identifying all these, we would want to scale down to the 4 hour time frame. As I said, go to the daily time frame to mark out to understand the trend of the market. Then you can break it down to the 4 hour time frame to further see what the market is doing. To further see what the market is doing. Okay, guys, as you can see, structure has been broken here. Structure has been broken here on the 4-hour time frame. There was a break of structure at this point. As you can see, remember I said one thing you want to take note of is structure. Now on the 4 hours time frame, as you can see, price continue to the upside, forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, and at this point, the low of the day of the 4 hours time frame broke the initial low of this 4 hour time frame. This present low fell to the downside and broke this initial low of the 4 hour time frame. Now that is a very, very interesting point you want to watch out for. Break of structure. It's a very, very important, interesting point you'd want to watch out for. Market has broken this low of this 4 hour time frame. What we want to do now is look out for because at this moment there's every possibility that the market continues to the downside, but you cannot have that as a strong bias until you see further confirmations on the market. There are times the market breaks the initial structure and continues to the upside. There are times like that it breaks the market to breaks the initial low and continues to the upside. So we won't just be quick to jump into trade, just place entries and then just assume that okay, the market is already in a downtrend. We need to see more confirmations for us to eventually say, okay, this market is going to the downside. So on the 4 hour time frame, you get to see that structure has been broken at this point. Now this whole occurrence here is a very interesting point. It's a very, very it's a point of interest. It's already a point of interest. So what we want to do is scale down to the 1 hour time frame to have more information, to be able to garner more information on what is happening on the market, as you can see on your screen, I have my customized Fibonacci levels. These customized levels are levels that price always react from. There are major levels I look out for that price always react from. So guys, I won't be scaling into this market until price on the 1 hour time frame, that is the present time frame we are on, aligns with my sniper entry. Because at this point you can see that there's an order block at this point, and some of the reasons that I need to see in the market before I scale into the market must include a correlation of the sniper entry with an order block in the market. Sniper entry with an order block in the market. If you want to get the exact figure of this sniper entry, the exact level of this sniper entry, you can actually hit me up on Telegram, and although it's actually available to my paid students, so you can hit me up on Telegram, and if you wish to be amongst my students, then you can chat me up on Telegram and I will do well to respond. I'll be dropping the link to the Telegram group in the description box below. Do well to click on it and hit me up. So guys, until price buys, until I see that price gets to this sniper level, I won't be taking trades. There are times when I want to be more conservative, I wait for price to actually buy to this fail safe level, because at this point also there's an order block that lines up with my fail safe level. So guys, and if you go back to the daily time frame, you get to see that that region actually lines up with the order block price is reacting from this particular order block. You get to see that even at this region on the 1 hour time frame, it is lining up with that region, that is this red line, this red horizontal um, resistance line I drew. So guys, um, this place is a very interesting point of view for me to scale into the market for itself, for me to short the market for itself. So if I would want to be entering this market for a sell from this sniper level, it means I will just be risking on the 1 hour time frame, I will just be risking about 23 pips in the market. I'll be risking about 23 pips in the market using a considerable lot size. There are times when I want to go aggressive, I scale in from the 1 hour time frame. But when I want to trade more conservatively, I break it down to the 15 minutes time frame and allow the market to align with my sniper level or my fail safe level, my sniper level or my fail safe level, depending on how strong the other block I am observing is, depending on how strong it is. So guys, on the 15-minute time frame, I'll be waiting for market to buy to this point, from this point, buy to this sniper level, or buys from this present point to the fail safe level before I take my trade. And once I see market on this, I don't just also up in once the market buys to the sniper level. What I do is I want to look out for candle patterns. I want to look out for candle formations to see what the market is doing at that point before I scale into the market. So guys, I wait for the market at this point. Please, my stop loss. You can see this SL. This SL signifies my stop loss, and scaling in from this sniper level would be me risking just about 25 pips in the market. And if I want to trade more conservatively, scaling in from the fail safe level would be me risking just about 15 pips in the market. And that is actually a very, 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 very good risk to take on this commodity using a considerable lot size. And where I'll be aiming to exit the market will be a very, very interesting point also in the market, um, a point where there's every tendency that market sells to. And the first point of interest will be my tip one, which signifies my first take profit, And if I would want to hold this trade longer, I'll be taking profit on my take profit too. And also, if I want to hold the trade much longer, I'll be exiting the market at the tip three. That is my take profit three. But my first point of interest for my take profit will be my tip one. So guys, once I see reactions at this point, I will want to scale into the market to this downside, and that will be me risking uh, 15 pips to make about 50 pips. 50 pips to make about 50 pips from the fail safe level, and risking 25 pips to make about uh, 50 pips from the sniper level. That is, if I'll be targeting the tip one, I'll be making about 86 pips, at about 86 pips, 87 pips. Targeting the tip two, I'll be making about 117 pips, and targeting the tip three, I'll be making around 150 pips. And that is actually a very, very good risk to reward ratio. A very, very good risk to reward ratio. From the sniper level, risking about 23 pips to make 50 pips, to make 86 pips thereabouts on the tip one level will be around the risk to reward ratio will be 1:3.5. That is um, targeting the tip one, and targeting the tip two will be from the sniper level 1:4.5, and targeting the tip three will be 1:6, which is actually a very, very good risk to reward ratio when eventually all my setup lines up and I take the trade. So guys, that's that about analyzing the V10-1S. In my next video also I'll be showing you guys how you can analyze or do a breakdown of other commodities from higher time frames down to lower time frames without much drawdown. This my customized Fibonacci level actually allows me scale into the market from very, very good points of interest in the market with me, and it also does allow me risk very, very, very little in the market. I risk very, very little in the market, exposing about just um two, at most 2% of my account on the market per uh, trade. Throughout all my total trades in a day, I expose about 2 to 3% in the market, which actually, if eventually I lose, which actually doesn't take a toll on my account, take a toll on my account, enables me to risk very little and um, make much gain once the market comes my way. So that's that about analyzing V10 from the higher time frame. Also, subsequently, I'll be dropping analysis on currency pair video. On currency pair, I'll be dropping videos on analyzing currency pair, analyzing the GBP TPY, analyzing Euro USD, analyzing USD TPY. Just basically analyzing the currency pair alongside the synthetic indices market, analyzing the currency pair market alongside the synthetic indices market. So stick around with me, guys. It promises, as I said, it promises to be an amazing ride with me on this channel this year. So if you're just coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, this is Perfect Forex, your brother, your friend, your favorite trader. And also, I'd like you to click on the subscribe button and also smash the like button, and as well turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you guys will be notified. And also do all to share my videos, share my content with your friends, with your family. Let them know that something good, something amazing is happening on my YouTube channel, Perfect Forex. I'll be dropping the link to my Telegram group in the description box below. I'll be dropping the link to my Telegram group in the description box below. Do all to join my Telegram group. It's a group where profitable traders meet. Yes, it's a group where profitable traders meet. So guys, I'll be dropping the link to my Telegram group. Ensure to join, and also ensure to hit me up as I'll be dropping more valuable content on my Telegram group. I remain perfect forex, your brother, your friend, your favorite trader. Until I come your way next time, do have a great day and God bless.